This is the Rodopite Mountains, a rich landscape that supports a wide array of wildlife species, flowers, and insects. Overlapping the border between Bulgaria and Greece, this area's wide array of terrain allows a host of different species to thrive in the region. With its mosaic of open landscapes, oak and beech forests, grasslands and rivers, as well as rocky slopes and cliffs, it's the perfect habitat for some of Eastern Europe's most important species.
Regarding biodiversity, it couldn't be better. This is the European hotspot for biodiversity. You can't find any place in Europe with more diverse flora and fauna than this.
The Rewilding Rodopite Mountains team, along with our local partners, are reintroducing naturally grazing herbivores to restore an entire food chain and to support the endangered vulture species in the area. By reintroducing the red deer, fallow deer, rewilded horses, and European bison through releases, it will allow predators and scavengers to thrive again. The knock-on effect of increasing these species is not just with animals, but with the environment itself, allowing for the creation of new mosaic landscapes.
But at the same time, this area has a big problem because people are leaving this area. And that means that from a very diverse, half-open landscape now, the landscape slowly grows through with forest, with shrubs. Bringing back herbivore, that's the tipping point from a system that closes to a system that opens up to the rich biodiversity which belongs to this area.
The intersection of these processes leads to constantly evolving landscapes, rather than fixed habitats. This dynamic is key to preserving Europe's rich biodiversity. And in creating these mosaic landscapes, we hope to see a natural increase in the populations of the endangered suslik, tortoises, and many other species that depend on these habitats. This explosion of wildlife is also bringing tourism back into the region.
We have set up some really interesting stuff, so we are building a network of local entrepreneurs. Seeing this today, people visiting the bed and breakfast and the visitor center, and a really growing group of people visiting the area, that's a hopeful thing.
Through our work, we're bringing wildlife and important ecological processes back into the Rodopes and allowing nature to take care of itself, and allow local communities to benefit from a new perspective for their region.